Hello.
Ramblin' Rider back again for another video. Hello YouTube. How have you been? So, I waited all week to go ride because I had family around and didn't want to be rude and go ride during Christmas, so I waited because it said Saturday was going to be nice, and now it's fucking cloudy. At least it's warm though. A little too warm. It's like 75 for December 26th. That is warm. My throttle's getting stuck a little bit. That ain't good. Maybe we should check the weather before we go much further. Shit. I just gassed up on the way to check out some Christmas lights and realized I've only got about 10 to 15 minutes of space left on my SD card for footage. So it might come out a little ghetto, but I'm gonna try to turn off my camera and turn it back on when I get to the Christmas lights, and hopefully we can put together a little video for you. Signing off, we'll be right back. Ciao. All right. We got to the first neighborhood that they put in the paper that said had some Christmas lights. So let's see how many lights you need to be mentioned in the local paper. That's a pretty good one. Doesn't look like much though. A few here and there. I don't know how that gets you in the paper. That's pretty good. Maybe it's all on the back streets here. Try not to get lost. There are some lights. Some lights there. This isn't as fantastical as I was expecting. Even the ones with lights are blah. Blah. Yeah, not much at all. Damn. All right. We'll save the SD card space for a more worthy neighborhood here, because this is pathetic. It's very sad. Saddens me deeply. All right. Put on some Christmas music, and I will see you at the next neighborhood. Transition. I hit the camera. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Woo! Alright folks, turn down the music here. We made it to the second neighborhood. Got some decentness over here. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, will you be a Christmas tree? That's my made-up song. There we go. Cool old gingerbread man. It's beginning to look a lot like After Christmas. Grinch, nope, Yoda. You know, this isn't too bad. This ain't too bad at all. I was expecting more. However, not too bad. Alright, we got one more neighborhood to check out before my SD card fills up. Let's go see what they got in store for us. I hope the audio is good. I've been riding around a lot with my visor up. Visor down at different speeds, talking the whole time, and I hope we got some salvageable audio footage out of this. The first time that my mic has really worked pretty good, so I was probably rambling a little extra knowing that y'all could actually hear me. Alright, here is the final neighborhood with Christmas lights that I know of. Rather, that was featured in the local paper. But the last couple, they've been, you know, a little shitty. Not exactly sure where I'm supposed to be going here. Alright, we were going the right way. We found some lights here. Oh, this is where it's at. That's beautiful. That's the best one we've seen. Have to go back around and get a second look at that. That was the best. That's the best in Bluffton. Alright, let's sneak one more peek at those lights there. And that, ooh, damn. And that will call it an evening. I'm so glad we found some lights for you. How's it going? Alright, let's take a little gander at these guys. They've got it sync to music. Let me turn off mine.
Yeah, I like the new tree this year.
They do this one every year?
Hmm?
They do this every year?
Every year.
Awesome.
And
Yeah.
it grows every year.
Great. That's great.
I used to live right here.
Uh-huh. Oh, that'd be great.
So,
I looked up in some of the papers where to go, and you know there were a couple neighborhoods, but they weren't much of anything. This is the best I've seen in Bluffton.
when I was here, almost every house going down to the corner.
Uh-huh.
Houses that weren't lit.
Wow.
So,
That'd be neat.
No, every year he does this. And
Awesome.
we were just talking, he bought a nativity set for next year. So.
Awesome. Well, we'll have to come take a peek next year, see what's added.
Absolutely. He changes the music every year too.
Cool.
So the lights and everything. He does different things. Like, I mean, look at that. That is amazing what he does.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Like I said, I've been riding around for hours, and this is the best I've found.
I don't think you'll find better down here.
Nah. So yeah, I'll be visiting next year for sure. We'll see you then, maybe.
Always, the one thing he always does is the American flag on the roof.
I like that, yeah.
Every year.
Alright guys, I'm in my new winter jacket and it's a bit warm, about 72, so I'm getting sweaty just sitting here. But I hope you enjoyed the lights, hope you enjoyed the ride, and hope you enjoyed the rambling as usual. Like I said, let me know how to make these better in the comments and I will listen to you. Y'all have a good evening, hope you had a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holidays, and hope you have a good New Year coming up.